Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto pasta. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil in your preferred pasta, like spaghetti or linguine. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's make that vibrant pesto. Start by lightly toasting 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan until fragrant, about 2 minutes. This really enhances their flavor. Then, combine your fresh basil, 2 cloves of garlic, the toasted pine nuts, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese in a food processor. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto is smooth and creamy. With your pesto ready, it's time for the pasta. Cook about 8 ounces of your chosen pasta in well-salted boiling water until al dente, following the package instructions. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. This is a crucial step. Once drained, immediately transfer the hot pasta to a large bowl, add your fresh pesto, and toss everything together. Use the reserved pasta water to achieve your desired sauce consistency. Your delicious homemade pesto pasta is now ready to be served. For an extra touch, garnish each plate with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. This dish is best enjoyed immediately while the pasta is warm and the pesto is vibrant. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.